Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with the essentials: ladder, pliers, and the replacement net. Inspect the rim for 12 evenly spaced hooks. Remove any broken clips. Once ready, orient the net so the small loops face up toward the rim. Climb safely and start at the front center hook. Feed the first net loop over and down under the rim, pulling it tight. Make sure the loop sits fully below the hook lip. This first attachment sets spacing and tension for every subsequent loop. You continue clockwise, attaching each loop to the next hook in sequence so spacing stays uniform. Use pliers to pull tight if loops are stiff, but be careful not to deform the hook. Once you hit 6 attachments, pause, step back, check alignment and how the net hangs. This prevents a crooked finish. Keep each loop pulled snug so the net hangs evenly and will clear the ball. If a loop resists, reverse it and retry. To prevent twisting that shortens the net, you finish by attaching the last loop and making a final pass around the rim to remove any twists. Every loop should sit neatly below its hook. Once complete, test the installation with 3 soft shots to confirm the net clears the rim and returns to shape. If the net slips or gaps appear, tighten the offending loops or use a small UV-resistant zip tie behind the hook to lock that loop. If a hook is bent or broken, replace the hook before replay to prevent repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.